Hello and welcome to our next video and lecture from this course on how to create graphic designs using Crello. Now, in previous lectures, we have talked about how you can create social media posters. You have seen exactly how you can edit and customize your designs. And now in this short lecture, we want to show you exactly how you can customize and edit and add different elements to your designs. It's not a big deal. It's very easy to manage them, but we want to have like a short walkthrough with you through all of the functions that you have in terms of elements and how to use them so that it will be easier for you to customize your designs. So for the purpose of this lecture and example, we will choose a Facebook post that we want to edit. As an example, let's say that it's this one for the Black Friday sale. Okay, and as you already know, we have different elements here that we can play with. We have text elements, we have shapes, and we have many other types of elements, okay, different shapes, objects, and other things. Now, basically, where are the elements that we can manage? They can be found in the left side menu of the screen, where you can see the mouse cursor right now. So the elements that you'll probably play with the most, because photos, it's easy to insert them. You have seen already how you can do that. Okay, you just go in the photos category. You can upload your own photos, or you can use free photos. Okay, and the photos themselves are an element. As you can see, they have options. They can be rotated, they can be resized, they can be cropped, and they have many functions. Okay, but most of the elements that you will probably want to use in your designs are found in the objects category. So click on the objects category and you will see that we have shapes, we have icons, illustrations, lines, borders, stickers, and frames. So first of all, we have the shapes. The ones which have the free watermark obviously are free. And the only thing that you have to do in order to use them in your design is to click on them and they will appear in your canvas on your editor, right? And then you can edit them. And each of the shapes or of the elements that you have will have some options that you will see them here in this menu. You already know how to use and customize these options from previous lectures. I will delete this shape now. And you can scroll down to see all of the shapes that you can have for free or paid ones. Then we also have icons, and we have free icons. We also have paid icons. And let me show you an example. Let's say that we want to insert this type of icon. Okay, we can customize it. Let's say that we want a green one. Okay, a dark green, blue, whatever. Okay, so the whole idea is that you can customize it. The same thing for this one. Colors, you can use green. Okay, so this is how you use an icon, how you insert it. Then we have illustrations, and we have paid ones, and I think we also have free ones if we look for them. Anyway, you can see the price for the illustrations here in the small watermark in the right lower corner. Then we have lines, different types of lines that we can insert. Okay, change their color, edit them. Then we have borders. Borders are similar to frames. Okay, stickers, and stickers come in sets, in different sets. Okay, each set of stickers, you'll see they have a number in the right top corner. That's the number of stickers that you'll find in that set. So they come like in themes. Okay, for example, the Be Cool theme sticker set, and we have different stickers with this character. Okay, and you just click on them and it will be inserted. Let's delete it. And then we have frames. Okay, and inside the frames we can put photos. You just have to drag a photo there. For example, we put it. Okay, and this is how a frame looks like. Pretty neat, right? Let's delete this one. So this is how you can manage your objects. You can also upload objects, as you have seen. Okay, you go in My Files and you upload your own objects, elements, and so on, and insert them and edit them, like photos, for example, or icons or other things like that. Okay, so it's pretty easy, not hard at all, and we hope that this lecture was helpful for you. Thank you very much, and we are looking forward to see you in the next video.